celebration in my head for a thing I finished. I used to wait for big applause, now I count what I accomplished. One step, one email, one brave try, and that's enough today. Progress deserves a little joy right now. Joy in the tiny celebration, hope in the good job sound. Happiness can be a private win when no one's around. Delight is in the progress when I don't erase my pace. Joy in the tiny celebration. Choosing continuity with a kinder grip. The future doesn't need perfection, it needs my honest yes. If shame comes back to argue, I'll clap for myself again. Joy in the tiny celebration, hope in the good job sound. Happiness can be a private win when no one's around. Oh. Clap good, good. Clap good, good. A bright little breakthrough in the middle of the mess. Not a huge revelation, just a softer I can yes. I used to think progress had to feel like fireworks, but hope can be practical and still be worth it. Bright little breakthrough, hope in my hands. Happiness is in the bravery to take a chance. Joy is in the forward motion when I stop asking why. Bright little breakthrough, and I'll try. I write it down, I take one step, no waiting for perfect. Today I'm learning momentum is built from small direct movements of the heart and mind that add up over time. If fear tries to call it foolish, I'll call it living. Bright little breakthrough, hope in my hands. Happiness is in the bravery to take a chance. Sparks, sparks.